and a host of other nationality. Remember that we have also exported the same problem to them.
Or sir, so ibig sabihin po sir, given that complexity no, and that reality, so parang okay lang po yung ganung setup that you...
No, it's not okay. It is not okay, but there has to be an arrangement there.
Okay.
So if you think that you are at a loss, as at a disadvantage, because there are so many Chinese nationals working here, remember that we have the same equal amount of people, Filipinos, who are working in China.
So just one last point, sir.
At wala naman silang dineport. So maybe you can just tell them to go home. Otherwise, if you start to get rough on this issue,